Yesterday, you created makeup looks for a digital world. Today, we want you to imagine a made-up world and create a cartoon character to live in it.
We want you to create your own cartoon character that shares a characteristic of yourself. The persona should make us want to tune in, not tune out.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bring in the models.
Today I'm doing a character called Belle, who is a fairy amphibian type of creature. She's a very shy being, similar to how I was when I was younger.
Saphron is using prosthetics to exaggerate the amphibious features.
The wings across the eyes symbolises the shyness of this character. Oh my god, this is so fiddly. Right now I'm fanning the glue because the glue only gets tacky when it's clear. There you go. That looks really good.
Cool.
Yeah, happy with that. That went on really well.
You've got 3 things going on.
Yeah, I know you like prosthetics, so it's a good thing I chose to do some. It kind of flutters when you blink. Oh. You all right? Yeah, it's tickling. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
MUAs, you have 2 minutes left. MUAs, time is up, brushes down. That's all, folks.
My character is called Belle. She lives in her pond, scared of the outside. This character is very shy, like how I was when I was a kid.
Let's have a look at those prosthetics. I mean, that blend, it's all incredibly beautifully applied. It's stunning.
Saphron.
Hiya.
I am so impressed. You perfectly kind of interpreted the description of this very shy character through the makeup. Well done.
Thank you.
Saffron, I don't see how you could have improved upon this. This is successful, this is impressive, this is a ding-dong. Thank you so much. So much. I've never seen anything like this.
Oh my god.
Thank
Well
you.
done.